Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The National Council on Drug Abuse, NCDA, in partnership with the Ministry of Health, has successfully concluded their Talk the Truth, Future Comes First High School Tour for 2018. The tour, which is a part of the Ganja Education Program, made stops in 10 schools across the island. The aim was on raising awareness of the harmful effects of ganja use among teens. The initiative was supported by artists Devin the Doctor and Ikea, as well as Delano and ZJ Diamond. The tour kicked off in January and concluded in March. Reggae artist Nesbitts is putting the final touches on his debut album titled Amen, which is the acronym for his late wife Anne-Marie Elliott Nesbitts.
The name of my debut album is Amen. We are 50% as we speak as it relates to production. There's a crowdfunding campaign currently going on as it relates to the album. You can check out Nesbitts Reggae, that's my Instagram page. Click on the bio, take you to a link, and that link will take you to the crowdfunding site where you can pre-order a copy of the album.
No release date has been set for the album. However, Nesbitts plans on giving fans a good compilation of songs that will also feature his hit singles Success Story and My Dream. Amen will also feature collaborations from various artists.
Amen, my album, will have 12 to 13 tracks on it. Collaboration is a must. We have gone through one already and there are more to come. My Dream, Success Story, I can say for now, but it's definitely going to be an interesting venture. The album itself is based on life on a whole, and there are going to be a number of inspirational tracks on it. There are going to be love songs on it as well, but let's expect nothing but the best. Hopelessness breeds carelessness, and I'm trying to eradicate carelessness. So the album will definitely be sending out nothing but hope to the mass.
Second runner-up in the Miss Universe 2017 pageant, Davina Bennett, is the new face of Shea Moisture's line of Jamaican black castor oil. She made the announcement of the new deal on social media over the weekend. However, amidst her new deal, the beauty queen lashed out at local franchise holders of the Miss Universe pageant, Missouri International. In a lengthy post shared by Davina, she asked the local franchise holders of Miss Universe to stop using her image, her story, and the brands affiliated with Shea Moisture. She added that neither Missouri International nor the Miss Universe Jamaica organization paid, organized, or otherwise contributed to her new deal. When contacted, Miss Universe Jamaica franchise holder Carl Williams said he had no comments on the matter at this time. However, he told E-Prime that his statement will come later this week. Davina Bennett was placed third in the Miss Universe pageant held at the Axis at Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino in Las Vegas in November last year. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.